ladies and gentlemen.
What's cooking, good lookins? Back at it again with another workshop video. You didn't ask for it, but here it is. The holidays are upon us, and that means we've almost made it through the year 2020, for better or worse. God, don't let it be worse. It ain't over yet, though. The holidays present us with a brand new set of not only problems, but also challenges. Today, we're gonna solve the shit out of one of those challenges. But before we get into all that, I'd like to behoove y'all to remember the reason for the season. That's right, baby! Hyper-consumerism! Okay, I think that's good. While y'all are out here buying your little hearts out, I'd like y'all to think about the sponsor for this video. Psych! Ain't no one dumb enough to give me money for this shit. In spite of that, I'm gonna advertise in your general direction anyway. In this time, I'd like to talk to you guys about Boss Battle Games. Worldwide, the pandemic has been hitting entertainment venues such as arcades disproportionately hard. So I'd like to ask y'all in this time to consider donating to the Gofundme that is going to support them and to keep them afloat. They've done so much for our local Smash scene. If you're not a fan of giving via Gofundme, you can also consider picking up something from their eBay store or a shirt. The links to all of those will be in the description. Was that shill good enough for you, Susan? I have zero self-respect. I am a goddamn shilling machine! Onward. So in the year 2020, the simple act of giving a gift has become unnecessarily complicated thanks to our need to stay at least 6 feet apart to keep everyone safe. Social distance, motherfuckers! I want to go outside! Wear your damn mask. I don't know if I'll keep that in or not. People will be like, oh, why are you so political? Name why you're so fucking stupid. But Jeff, you may very well wonder, how am I supposed to deliver the gifts I so graciously purchased for my loved ones, so that they too may partake in the glory of consumption? Well, viewer, I have the answer for you. Funnily enough, the answer to that question has been in front of you this entire time. Oh, the fucking thing fell off. Alright. How am I supposed to show my holiday cheer if my ornament falls off? I present the high-performance gift delivery cannon, but I like to call it something else. You see, this is designed to deliver gifts at a high velocity, but not just any gift, it has a specific gift in mind. Magic Bullet. It is the gun that shoots magic bullets. That shot went better than I expected.
Yes, that was goddamn beautiful.
Why, you might be wondering, would I make a gun that shoots blenders? It's a bullet, and it's a gun. Do I really need to make myself clear?
Bird up!
Jeff, did you make this entire project and then release it around the holiday just so you could come up with some dumb excuse for making a gun that shoots magic bullets because you thought that was funny? Yes. Yes, I did.
Drink.
Don't question me.
That's quite big.
Alright. So how does it work? And how did I build it? Essentially, I built it out of PVC. These sections are 4-inch PVC. This is 6-inch PVC, because 6-inch PVC was the smallest PVC that could accept a magic bullet. That's it. That's the design process. I cut down these sections of PVC on my table saw over yonder. Gun, part 1. I had some issues with my other saw. Let me see if I can get a better shot of this, because I have not used this miter saw before, so if anything goes wrong, this will be where it is. So, let's... Up here, there is some secret sauce that will hopefully make it less loud that I don't think I should show on YouTube, or else Susan's gonna raid my house. And I like it when Susan doesn't raid my house. So the whole thing is actually going to be combustion-based. It is more of a gun than I probably am allowed to have. This is a flexible rubber coupling. The reason this coupling, I went with a rubber coupling instead of a solid coupling, is because it gives it an intentional point of failure. That way, if something does go wrong, hopefully instead of exploding into a million pieces, it breaks the seal on the rubber and splits apart. So the way that the cannon is filled is I've modified this this torch head. Then from there, I've constructed an igniter using something that might be familiar. This is the stun gun that I used built into the taser, into the controller of the controller that tases you for playing Smash Ultimate. I just snipped the wiring off of that, and I even swapped out the power button for a trigger. This is frightening. All right.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead. This is how I've set it up to fuel, which is totally not genius, but whatever, it works. So this is how it's fueled. So, propane is heavier than air. So as long as we keep this upside down during this process, we shouldn't lose any fuel. It's real now! I'm afraid! This thing is fucking terrifying. Alright. It's loaded. And always remember, when doing something dangerous, kids, wear eye protection. 3, 2, 1. Well, that was disappointing. We realized that failure was probably because I was just afraid to put too much propane in, so we put more in and tried again. 1.
There we go.
So now that we've gotten our first test shot through the blank, it's time to load in our actual payload. The gun requires a bullet. No? This is so fucking stupid. Oh, there's a magic bullet in the gun now. Why am I like this? Alright. Okay. Alright, loaded. Now let's hit the camera and the GoPro into place and then fire. 3, 2, 1. Oop, okay. Attempt again in 3, 2, 1. Oh man. 3, 2, 1.
What the hell happened here?
We got firing. That was the loudest one yet.
So a lot of the problems we were having up to this point were caused by the foam I was using to try to create a seal around the magic bullet. I ended up remaking it with a different kind of foam and giving it an aluminum tape coating just to make sure that it wasn't going to burn, because the foam burning was what all that smoke was. Brace yourselves, because at this point Zach was at home because it was the day after and I had to do all the camera work solo.
3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm preparing for the first test, firing it in hand. I guess it's time to load it and see how it goes, eh? Firing in 3, 2, 1. Huh. Alright, well, shit.
I'd originally gone light on the propane out of fear, but that didn't work, so more it is.
2, 1. I missed!
Yeah, I actually missed the cushions that I'd set up and hit the track for the other garage door that's out of frame. Good aim.
Didn't break! Okay, I lied. Only broke a little.
Now that I knew I could shoot a magic bullet, I figured I'd see what else I could shove in the cannon.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Huh. Oh, that was sad. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Y'all remember Elephant? Yeah, I thought I'd recreate that by shoving the cannon full of candy canes and pointing it straight up.
Oh god, that worked! I got a candy cane stuck in the fucking ceiling.
I also had my roommate come out and give it a shoot.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It's fun, isn't it?
It's pretty fun. I see why you're out here shoving candy canes to the ceiling.
We also went to a field to try to get a longer shot, but we only had enough propane left for one kind of sad shot.
Yeah, just need more.
Let's go.
But yeah, that's all the footage I have right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have anything else you want to see us shove in the cannon, put it in the comments, and if there aren't too many, I'll try to do it in the next video. In the next video, we'll be tackling the energy crisis. Speaking of upcoming videos, the DDD in-depth review script is done. Wood is in the process of packaging all of that together to send it over to me for editing. As far as the doc review is concerned, I'm still working on writing it. I spent a month sleeping on an air mattress in the garage because everyone in my house but me had COVID, and I only just now got to sleep in my own bed again as of the 19th. Then I started this video on the 20th. Now it's almost 8 p.m. on Christmas Eve, and I'm trying to get this video uploaded, and I have to be at work at midnight. Help me. As always, massive thank you to all of our patrons. You can check out our Patreon at patreon.com/pushblunt. If you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your holidays. Stay safe out there.